Okay, now we're filling it up. So you can see we drained the fuel tank to empty, so it's showing empty. And we're going to put 20 liters in, and then we'll see where it is. Okay, that's 20 liters of inside the fuel tank. And now we're here now with the yellow line coming up. So what I've done, I've adjusted the fuel gauge so it's got more fuel in the car but it's showing empty. A little bit more than empty. So you have pretty much 20 liters to 30 liters before your car is empty. Alright, there you go. You've got about 50 liters inside the car or something like that, but at least it's moving up and down according to the float. So now we got empty, now we go up higher. So if you fill it up, it's gonna start counting. It's gonna work properly now. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.